Hello students, in last two video we studied about relations and Cartesian product. We have seen that if we are given any two sets A and B, and then Cartesian product means set of all ordered pair from first set to second, okay, and in that one if we are taking A cross B, then first element will be from A and second element will be collection from B. In the next video we have seen that relations are subset of Cartesian product. Okay. Now in this third video related to the same chapter, if we are talking about functions, functions are special types of relation in which no two elements should have different first one. Okay, in this ordered pair, that is no two different element of first set. Suppose here this and this, no two different elements of first set should have same elements as the second. Okay, now in this case we can take 0 1 and 1 1. Here 0 and 1, in this ordered pair 1 is the image of 0 and 1 is the image of 1 itself. Okay, in this is possible, and but here 1 is having two different elements as its image, 0 and 1, and so this ordered pair will not be considered as function. And in this way we can say that functions are special types of relation in which this type of ordered pair will not be considered. Okay, now we can explain this with the help of Venn diagram. Suppose here we are given A and B, two sets, then for being functions all the elements of first set should be used up. There are three conditions as such. All the elements of first set should be used up with the certain function. Okay, that is here this is not the function because B is not having any image in capital B. Okay, second one, here all the elements should be used up. Here A is having image in B as X, B is having image in B as X, and C is having image as Y in B. Okay, and this way all the elements are used up. Okay, we can say that if any element is not having pre-image in first one, that can be considered, but if we are talking from function from A to B, then all the elements of this, and this is called as domain, that is the entire domain should have certain elements as its image. Now next, third condition, that is none of the element should have two different elements as its image. Here in this one 1 0 and 1 1, 1 is having image as 0, 1 is having image as 1, and this type of ordered pair will not be taken as function. Okay, but this is possible, two different elements having same element as its image. Okay, and that is why in all we can say there are three conditions for being a function. First one, the entire domain should be used up, and second thing, that two elements can have same element as its image, but none of the element from first set should have two different elements as its image. Okay, and so this is not the function, this is the function, and this is not the function. In the same way here, function as a type of mapping. Mapping means the image of any element with respect to that function in other one. Here we can say if x is the element of first set, then under f we are getting fx in second set. Okay, here you can say if f, this is f, then this value y is can be written as f of a, because this is the mapping a is mapped in b as y. Okay, here also this way, and so mapping will be function when these three conditions will be satisfied. That is, the entire domain should be used up, none of the elements should have two different elements as its image, and two different elements can have same element as its image. Then only we can say that the given mapping is a function. Now this is called the value of any element from first to second, and that is what we call term value or image of a function from first set to second set. Now the last point, that is vertical line test for a function. So we can, suppose we are given any curve, we are able to draw vertical line in such a way that that line intersect at two different points to the curve, then this is not the function. Here in this curve, this is parabola, and in this curve, this vertical line intersects single point. Okay, and so this is the function. This can be taken in case of circle surrounded to the origin. If we draw vertical line, this vertical line intersects two different points to the circle, and so this will not be taken as function. Here this is straight line, this is the parallel to x-axis. If we draw vertical line, then this vertical line have intersecting at single point to this straight line, and so this is the function. In all, this is not function, this is function, and this is not function. Okay, now with the help of questions, this topic will be more and more clear. Now questions. Now in this question, let x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Determine whether or not each relation a function from x into x. Okay, for being function, we should check the numbers at first place in ordered pair of the given function, and these numbers should be different. Okay, and this is 2 and 2, 1, and so this is not a function. Okay, second thing, 3, 4, 1, this is different, and this can have same elements as its image, as we just studied the concept, that is two different elements can have same elements as its image in second one. Okay, and so this is possible. Third one, first one should be different, because we cannot have the elements like this, that is same element having two different elements as image. This is not possible in case of function, and that is why this should be different, and this second element should be, can be same or different. And here 2, 3, 1 and 4 elements are different, and here at second place 4, 4, 4, this doesn't matter, this will be many one function, we will study in next video, and this is possible, this is the function. Now here next question, state whether following relations are functions or not. We will follow the same way here. 1, 2, 3, 4 elements are different, and they can have same element as its image, and that is why this is possible, and this is called many one function, and this is the example of function. Now in this x, y, where x belongs to A and y belongs to B, is a surname of x. For any particular person, this is the surname. Now whether this relation is a function, this relation where A is the set of people in India and B is the set of surnames. Two different peoples of India can have same surname, okay, but this is not possible that same people will have two different as surname, and that is why this is not the function. Now next question. In this question, the ordered pairs are represented by the points shown. Here, these are the points shown in this axis. State whether it represents a relation or a function. Now in this question, first we can see the ordered pair will be 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 and 3, 3. These are ordered pairs will be there, and we can see that the first element is not different, because for being function this should be different. This is the relation, but this is not the function, okay, and this element is having two different elements as its image also, and so this is not the function. Now for this is the domain and this is codomain from which we are taking range, okay, and now here 1, 1, this is the ordered pair 1, 1, and this is 2, 2, and this is 3, 3. The entire domain is being used up here. First condition satisfied. All the elements of domain are different, and that is why this is the function also. This is the relation and this is the function also. Now in this third one, we are getting only two ordered pair 1, 1 and 3, 2, but no image for this 2, and that is why this is not the relation also, because the one element left without any element as its image, okay, and this is neither the function nor the relation, okay. Now in this question, the range and domain of a function is given by this. X belongs to the domain, and this is defined by the function fx is equal to 3 by x plus 1 are subsets of A and B, where the elements of A given as minus 1 by 2, 0, 2 by 3, 6 by 7 and 1, elements of B given minus 5, 0, 4 whole 1 by 2, 5, 5 whole 1 by 2. Now defining with the help of this function, substituting f, this is x is equal to minus 1 by 2, f minus 1 by 2 will be equal to minus 5, and this is there in B also, and so for minus 1 by 2 the ordered pair will be minus 1 by 2 comma minus 5. For second 0, this is not defined, okay, and in the same way for 2 by 3 this is 5 whole 1 by 2, this is there, and so third one will be 2 by 3 and 5 whole 1 by 2, fourth one 6 by 7, and after substituting in this 3 by 6 by 7 plus 1 we are getting 4 whole 1 by 2, so fourth pair will be there. For 1, that is the last one, we are getting 4, but here 4 is not there in second set, and that is why this will not be taken. So these three ordered pair will be considered as the elements of the given function fx is equal to 3 by x plus 1, where x belongs to domain and fx belongs to codomain. Now next question. This question, A is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 1 and 2. The function is defined by the ordered pair x comma 1 upon x, where x belongs to A. List the domain of f, range of the function. Is this a function or not? Okay. Now see here, we are substituting the value A minus 2. For this, with the ordered pair will be minus 2 upon minus 1 upon 2. Minus 2, and this is minus 1 upon 2. For minus 1, this will be minus 1. For 1 this will be 1, for 2 this will be 1 upon 2, and so this is defined as the function of 1 upon x, where domain is -2, -1, 1 comma 2, range is -1 by 2, -1, 1 and 1 by 2. Now we have to find out whether this is a function or not. We can see we are getting in this ordered pair different elements from the domain, okay, and which is having the image as -1 by 2, -1, 1 and 1 by 2, and so this is holding the condition of being function, so this is a function. Now next question. This is very good question, because in this question we are given that x is defined as a highest prime factor of x, means first one will be taken as x and the image of this x will be the highest prime factor of that number, okay. Now here find the range of f when domain is 12. Now we can see here 12, and then we have to prime factorize this number, that is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, and so 3 is the highest prime factor of 12, that is 2, 2, 3. In the same way for 13, highest prime factor is the number itself, because in prime numbers the prime factors are this, that divides whether by that number or by 1 itself. 14, 7 will be highest prime factor, 15, 5 and 16, 2 will be highest prime factor, 17, in 17 will be the highest prime factor because of being prime number, and so the range will be highest prime factor of x, that is range will be 2, 3, 5, 7, 13, 17. That is the highest prime factor of the given numbers, okay, and that is why you should be aware of the prime numbers also, okay. Next, state a domain of 5 integers for which range is 3. Domain of 5 integers means we can consider 3, because highest prime factor will be taken in range, and highest prime factor of 3 is 3 itself. Highest prime factor of 6 is 3 itself, because 3 multiplied by 2. Highest prime factor of 9, 3 multiplied by 3, that is 3 itself. Highest prime factor of 12 also 3 itself. Highest prime factor of 18 also 3 itself. In all the cases we are getting highest prime factor 3 itself, and this is our question, that is state a domain of 5 integers for which range is 3, and we can understand that in the list of range we are taking only highest prime factor, and that is why these are 5 numbers 3, 6, 9, 12 and 18 from the domain for which the range is taken as 3. So the answer is 3, 6, 9, 12, 18. Now next question, a set of positive integer is called S. If a set of positive integers is called X, what can be said about these integers if Fs is equal to S? Means this is the set of positive integer, and Fs is the function which is defined here, means highest prime factor should be the number itself, and by this statement this is obvious that all prime numbers will be taken here, because highest prime factor will be number itself in case of prime numbers also, and that is why we start from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. These are the prime numbers, and in this case f of s is equal to s. This is satisfied, so this is the answer. Now next question. This is very good question. In this question, x greater than 3, then this function defines fx is equal to 3x minus 2 in this range -2 to 2, and fx is equal to x square minus 2 for this range. Okay, then find f0 plus f4. Now f0 plus 4 means 0 will be there in this range, and then for this f0 is equal to 0 square minus 2 will be taken. For the second one, f4 greater than 3, this function will be taken. That is 3 into, in place of x we substitute 4, minus 2 we are getting 8. In the next one, real number to real number, this function is defined. Fx is 4x minus 1 will be taken for x greater than 4. X greater than 4, this value will be taken. Here we have to find out f5, means for f5 4x minus 1 will be taken. In place of x we substitute 5. For this range minus 2 to 4, x square minus 2 will be taken. So for this value 0 will be there in this range minus 2 to 4, and that is why 0 square minus 2 will be taken. And x less than minus 2, this value 3x plus 4, and minus 5 less than minus 2, for this 3x plus 4 will be taken. Substituting this value in place of this, we are getting the answer 6. Okay, now next question. In this question, x is given as 2, 3, y is given as 1, 3, 5. How many different functions are there from x into y? We know the number of function, that is nx is equal to 2. This is the cardinal number for first one, 2 elements. Cardinal number for second one, 3 elements. So number of functions from x into y can be 3 to the power 2. If this is p, this is q, then q to the power p. And this is possible types of functions. And here in this solution, I try to draw all types of functions here with the help of this diagram. Okay, now see, take first one, this is from x and this is from y, 2, 3. This is 1, 3, 5. See, 2 to 1 and 3 to 3 satisfied the condition of function, because both the elements are having different elements with its image. Okay, and this is the condition of being any function, that entire domain should be used up with different elements. Okay, second one, 2 to 1, 3 to 5. Again the same condition, 2 to 3 and 3 to 1. Both the elements are being used up with different elements of the second set. Here 2 to 3, 3 to 5. Okay, and then in the same way 2 and 3 used up in mapping with the element 1, and this is called many one function. In the same way, this is another many one function. The elements 2 and 3 is mapped with the element 3 in second set in y. In the same way, 2 and 3 is mapped with 5 here in the second set. 2 to 5 and 3 to 3 and 2 to 5 and 3 to 1. And you can see here, this is 4 and 5. This is total number 9 types of functions can be drawn from x to y. Now next question. This is also good question. The domain of a function is the set of positive integers less than 12. Set of positive integers less than 12. If y is equal to fx is equal to mod of x minus 4. Mod of x minus 4 is defined as the positive integer, because we are using here mod. Find all ordered pairs satisfying the function. Okay, now in this we are given y is equal to fx is equal to mod of x minus 4. So f of 1, that is for 1, we are getting 1 minus 4, that is minus 3. So the positive value will be 3. In the same way, we are trying to get for 2, this is minus 2, that is positive value will be 2. For 3, this is minus 1, so positive value will be 1. For 4, this is 0. For 5, this is 1, this is obvious. 6 minus 4 2, 7 minus 4 3, 8 minus 4 4, 9 minus 4 5, 10 minus 4 6 and 11 minus 4 7. These are the images of the elements 1 to 11. Now the ordered pair will be written as 1 to 3, 2 to 2, 3 to 1, 4 to 0, in the same way other ones. Now this way you can draw this graphically also, taking first and second set, writing 1 to 11 all the positive number less than 12. Then images can be drawn by arrow diagram like this, writing the other numbers, and this way you can draw. Okay, this way we studied all concepts of the functions. We try to solve all types of questions related to domain and range and codomain, and how to find the different types of functions graphically also. And hope all of you understood with the help of this video, because this is very important chapter in class 11. For getting more and more upcoming video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.